Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Loot Crate unboxing. So this one from the month of January, and the theme is Discover. I'm kind of looking because I didn't remember, and it has items from Westworld, Rick and Morty, Harry Potter and the X-Files. So being a big Harry Potter fan, I'm kind of very excited for this one. So if you want to know what's in the box, just keep on watching. So I haven't seen any spoilers, and I only know the theme and franchises on the box. So once you open up the box, this is what you're gonna see. So, oh, the t-shirt just flew off. So let's begin with the t-shirt, and it's alive. So the t-shirt is from Rick and Morty, and it's all white, and it has Rick and a big brain, and it's a very cool design because the brain, it has a lot of different characters from the show. So I don't know what you guys think, but this t-shirt is giving me a lot of spring and summer vibes, and I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna be honest, and I've only watched a few episodes of Rick and Morty, but from the little that I watched, it's very funny. So let's see what's next. And we have some socks, and it's from Harry Potter. So it has the sorting hats and these symbols. It's got a lion. Where's the snake? It's snake. And it feels very good quality. I really like this item. Loot Crate socks are usually very good. And next we have a figure, and it's from Westworld. So the design on this box reminds me of the figure from Stranger Things I got in October's Loot Crate. In Westworld, I haven't seen any of it, but when I saw that Westworld was gonna be on this box, I watched the trailers and I got kind of curious about it. So this is like the other figure. We have a stand and we have a background. We have two little guys that, from what says on the box, it's Dolores and Arnold. So this one has a hole and this one doesn't, so I guess you just can kind of put them wherever. So I guess you can just kind of put them wherever you want. So this is a really cool figure, and it's going back there on the collection. So next we have the item from the X-Files, Circle of Truth, and it's a leather thing. let's open it. Oh my god! From opening it, it looks like a FBI badge. So what is this? Oh, it's kind of like a card game. It's got kind of like the rules book. And it's got kind of like a bunch of cards. This one says X-Files Lab Analysis. So it's like a card game. I'm gonna have to read the rules, but this is a very original idea. And last we have our pin. It looks kind of a maze. And this one is from Westworld. And let me see what the digital content was. So I can't quite figure out, but it's something from Westworld, and we also have digital comic books from The Big Lie. And I'm not gonna lie, and I have no idea what that is. So we have the inside of the box. It also looks like stuff from Rick and Morty. I'm gonna see if I can close up. So the card, we have this month's theme, it's Discover, and the loot checklist. We have exclusive Rick and Morty t-shirt, licensed by Cartoon Network. We have the exclusive Westworld Super Emo Scenes diorama figure, licensed by Warner Brothers. We have the exclusive Harry Potter socks, licensed by Warner Brothers. We have the exclusive X-Files card game, licensed by 20th Century Fox. And we have the exclusive Westworld maze pin, licensed by Warner Brothers. And then we have the link to the digital magazine. Let's sum this up. We have the figure, the pin, we have the X-Files card game, the Harry Potter socks, and the Rick and Morty t-shirt. So, what's my favorite item? I'm kind of torn because I really love Harry Potter, and the card game was a very different kind of item, and the t-shirt, it's very cool. So, and I mean, I also like the figure, so I can't really choose. This was a very good box, and there is not one item that I can say I didn't like. So I'm very happy with this overall. And yeah, so that's everything for today's video. I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below, if you could choose between one of the items, what would be your favorite? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, click the button down below and subscribe. Help me grow my little channel, and follow me on my social media also if you want to. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!